The third type of the polymerization reaction is copolymerization. Copolymerization means whenever more than one different types of the monomeric units are used in the reaction of polymerization, it is called as the copolymerization reaction, and the polymer is called as copolymer. Depending upon distribution of the monomeric units, four types of copolymers are possible. First possibility is alternating copolymer. Two monomeric units, if we say one is A, another is B, are linked in an alternate manner throughout the polymeric chain, like A, B, is called as the alternating copolymer. Second type is a random copolymer, in which distribution of monomeric units is random, it is not regular throughout the chain. You can see A, B, B, A, B, A, it can be anything, it can be any composition, any combination of distribution of A and B. Third one is the block polymer. In this type, there are blocks of each kind of monomeric units. You can see here BB, then A is for 6 times, B is further for 6 times. So, there is block of A followed by block of B, again followed by block of A, and so on. Therefore, this is called as block copolymer. Block copolymers can be prepared by initiating radical polymerization of one monomer to give homopolymer chain. Homopolymer chains means those polymeric chains in which same type of units are there, same type of monomers are there. For example, if it is A, so it will be homopolymeric chain for A prepared differently, same for the homopolymer chain of B. The fourth type is graft copolymer. It consists of a linear polymeric chain of one type to which has been grafted the side chains. These side chains are prepared from the another monomeric unit. You can see it is the homopolymeric chain of A, one type of monomer. A is there in the homopolymer chain, in which the branches are, or the grafting is done by the another polymeric chain which is made up of the monomer B. Therefore, this is called as the graft copolymer. Formation of graft copolymer can be brought about by two ways, two methods. First one is we can initiate the chain growth polymerization for one monomer, say for example B, on an existing polymeric chain, say for example monomer A. Or we can have another method in which termination of chain growth polymer B by existing polymeric molecule formed by the monomer A. By using any one of these two methods, we can have the graft copolymer. Let us see one example for the copolymer. It is butadiene styrene copolymer. You can see one monomer is butadiene, 1,3 butadiene, and another is the styrene. Okay, you can see the structure of butadiene, which is 1,3 butadiene, because if we count the numbers of the carbon from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4, the double bonds are present at position number 1 and 3. Therefore, this is called as butadiene, that is 1,3 butadiene. Next one is the styrene, which is also an unsaturated compound, as it contains a double bond in between two carbon atoms apart from the aromatic. Aromatic double bonds are not unsaturated. Therefore, this is also an example of, and you can see alkene like this. So, there will be the addition reaction like this. If I write down the butadiene molecule once again in this way, CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. So, this is your one monomer. I am going to write down the CH double bond CH2 only, okay, which is the part of your styrene. So, here I am writing it like this, that means it is attached further to the pH, which I have not written here because pH, that is phenyl ring, is not going to take part in the addition reaction. So, what happens here? This kind of addition takes place. Okay, so there is a bond formation in between the two double, or two doubly bonded carbon atoms. This double bond will be shifted here, and hence we are getting the polymerization or extension of the polymeric chain on the two sides, and the polymer is called as butadiene styrene copolymer.